Hi guys, we're Dan and Steph and Emmy from My Kitchen Rules and also Eat at Dan and Steph and Emmy's in Hervey Bay, Queensland.
We're so humbled to be a part of this amazing What's for Dinner initiative with Coles and amazing chefs around Australia. There's really good things that come out of being at home in isolation and we're all in it together. And you know, we're gonna spend time together with a family and we can get in the kitchen, get messy and make amazing memories and great food.
Hey Emmy, what's for dinner tonight?
Sausage rolls!
It's no secret we love our snacks, so today we're creating for you our pork and veggie sausage rolls with homemade tomato sauce that all the kids will love. The best thing about this recipe is you can put so much veggies in it and the kids probably won't know.
We've got some apple, carrot, onion and some broccoli, and we're going to use our processor today using the grating blade. We're going to squeeze the middle of the sausages out of their skin and we're going to mix that through our grated vegetables that we've just created.
Now that we've got our grated veggies and sausages in there guys, we're going to add our bacon and our cheese and an egg. We're also going to add some beautiful fresh herbs. I've got some oregano, some parsley and some chives. Just going to bring those sausage rolls to life. Let's get grubby, huh? So just get in there, we want to mix all this up. We're going to wrap them up in beautiful puff pastry. What we're going to do now guys is we're going to add an egg wash. So really quick, 2 beaten eggs. Just beaten up nice and quick. And then we're going to brush these all over the sausages. It's going to give them that nice golden colour when they cook.
We're going to chop up some bacon very fine. We're going to sprinkle that over the top with some grated parmesan cheese.
Our pork and veggie sausage rolls are now in the oven. Time to crack on with our tomato sauce.
Guys, this homemade tomato sauce is super easy. So basically it's a one-pot wonder. I'm sure you have most of these ingredients in the cupboard already.
Get my pan here. We're going to add all our ingredients. We're going to start off by adding some tomato paste and tinned tomatoes to a pan, a dash of honey, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and we're going to let that reduce. Then we're going to put it through the processor and turn it into a nice, smooth, silky, rich tomato sauce.
So we've just pureed the tomato sauce and it's all nice and smooth and it actually is delicious. Yum! So there we are guys, our pork and veggie sausage rolls with homemade tomato sauce. They look yummy, don't they, darling? Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. Get the kids in the kitchen, get involved. I know this is a tough time, but we're Aussies and we'll get through it.